Have you ever heard someone say that seniors can't keep up with housework? It's a common stereotype that many people believe, but today we're going to challenge that notion. Believe it or not, with the right strategies and tools, seniors can not only manage household tasks effectively, but do so with ease. In this video, we're diving into 7 low-effort tricks that will not only help seniors stay on top of their housework, but also reclaim their independence and keep their homes sparkling clean. So, whether you're a senior looking for some fresh ideas or a caregiver seeking to support your loved ones, stay tuned. 1. Simplifying cleaning routines. One of the first things we need to address is simplifying cleaning routines. Cleaning can often feel overwhelming, especially if you try to tackle the entire house in one day. However, breaking tasks into smaller, manageable chunks can make a world of difference. Instead of thinking, "I need to clean the whole house," try focusing on one room or area at a time. For example, dedicate one day to the kitchen, another to the living room, and so forth. You can also create a weekly schedule that outlines specific chores to be done each day. This way, seniors can maintain a clean environment without feeling the pressure of doing everything at once. Another effective strategy is the 15-minute cleanup. Set a timer for 15 minutes and challenge yourself to clean as much as you can within that time frame. This method not only makes cleaning feel less daunting, but also injects a bit of fun into the process. Plus, anyone can spare 15 minutes, right? 2. The power of multitasking tools. When it comes to housework, having the right tools can make all the difference. Multitasking tools are particularly beneficial for seniors, as they can accomplish multiple tasks without needing to switch equipment constantly. For instance, consider investing in a vacuum cleaner that also functions as a mop. These versatile machines can simplify the cleaning process, allowing seniors to sweep and mop at the same time, reducing the overall time and effort needed. Another great example is a cleaning caddy. Having a portable caddy filled with all the necessary cleaning supplies, like spray bottles, cloths, and brushes, can save seniors from running back and forth to gather their tools. This not only streamlines the cleaning process, but also reduces physical strain. 3. Embracing technology. In our modern world, technology has become a powerful ally in maintaining a clean home. From robotic vacuum cleaners to smart home systems, there are countless gadgets designed to make cleaning easier for seniors. Robotic vacuums are particularly popular because they can autonomously navigate through the home, picking up dirt and debris without any physical effort from the user. Seniors can simply set a schedule for the vacuum to clean while they enjoy their favorite activities. Additionally, consider using smart home devices that allow for voice commands. For instance, smart speakers can help set reminders for cleaning tasks, play music to make the chore more enjoyable, or even control other smart cleaning devices around the house, all with just a simple voice command. 4. Creating a cleaning zone. Another low-effort trick is creating designated cleaning zones in the home. This means organizing cleaning supplies and equipment in specific areas, making them easily accessible when needed. For example, if a senior has a cleaning caddy in each major room, like the bathroom, kitchen, and living room, they won't have to search for supplies when it's time to clean. Keeping everything organized and within reach can significantly reduce the effort required to maintain cleanliness. Moreover, decluttering these zones can also help. The less clutter there is, the less there is to clean. Encourage seniors to regularly assess their belongings and donate or discard items they no longer use or need. This not only simplifies cleaning, but creates a more enjoyable living space. 5. Utilizing natural cleaners. When it comes to cleaning, many seniors may be concerned about using harsh chemicals. Fortunately, there are plenty of effective natural cleaning solutions that are safe and easy to use. Common household items like vinegar, baking soda, and lemon juice can work wonders. For instance, a simple mixture of vinegar and water can be used to clean windows, while baking soda can tackle tough stains on surfaces. These natural cleaners not only reduce exposure to harmful substances, but also save money on cleaning supplies. Plus, many seniors appreciate the pleasant scents of natural cleaners, making the cleaning experience more enjoyable. Encourage the use of essential oils for added fragrance, turning cleaning into a soothing activity rather than a chore. 6. Involving family and friends. Cleaning doesn't have to be a solitary task. Engaging family and friends in housework can turn what might feel like a burden into a fun, social activity. Consider organizing a cleaning party where family members come over to help tackle cleaning tasks together. This not only lightens the load, but also provides an opportunity for social interaction and bonding. Additionally, involving younger family members can teach them valuable skills while providing seniors with the assistance they need. It's a win-win situation that fosters teamwork and creates a supportive environment. 7. Prioritizing self-care. Finally, it's essential to remember that maintaining a home is just one aspect of life. For seniors, prioritizing self-care can significantly impact their ability to manage housework effectively. Encourage seniors to take breaks and engage in activities they love. Whether it's gardening, reading, or enjoying a warm cup of tea, these moments of relaxation can recharge their energy and motivation to tackle cleaning tasks. Moreover, ensuring that seniors stay physically active can also contribute to their overall well-being. Simple exercises, such as stretching or light walking, can improve mobility and strength, making housework feel less strenuous. 7 low-effort tricks that can help seniors not only maintain a clean home, but also enhance their quality of life. By simplifying cleaning routines, utilizing multitasking tools, embracing technology, creating cleaning zones, opting for natural cleaners, involving family and friends, and prioritizing self-care, seniors can reclaim their independence and enjoy a comfortable living environment. As we wrap up, let's take a moment to recap these strategies. First, remember to break down cleaning tasks into smaller, manageable segments. This will prevent the overwhelming feeling of having to do everything at once. Second, invest in versatile cleaning tools that save time and energy. Third, don't shy away from technology. Embracing gadgets like robotic vacuums can transform the way we approach housework. Also, keep cleaning supplies organized in designated zones to ensure everything is within reach when needed. Choose natural cleaners to minimize exposure to harsh chemicals, and involve friends and family to make cleaning a more enjoyable and social activity. Lastly, never underestimate the power of self-care. Taking time for oneself is crucial in maintaining both physical and mental well-being. Before we conclude, here are a few additional tips that can further enhance these strategies. 1. Setting realistic goals. It's important for seniors to set achievable goals when it comes to housework. Creating a checklist can help them keep track of completed tasks and feel a sense of accomplishment. Whether it's dusting one shelf or vacuuming a corner, every small step matters. 2. Incorporating routine. Establishing a regular cleaning routine can create a sense of predictability and structure. If seniors know that every Monday is laundry day or every Thursday is bathroom cleaning day, it becomes easier to integrate these tasks into their week. Making cleaning enjoyable. Encourage seniors to listen to their favorite music or audiobooks while cleaning. This can transform a mundane task into a fun experience, making the time spent cleaning feel less like a chore. 3. Adapting to limitations. It's crucial for seniors to understand their physical limitations. If certain tasks are too strenuous, it's perfectly acceptable to ask for help or modify their approach. For example, using a lightweight vacuum or a grabber tool for hard-to-reach areas can make a significant difference. 4. Celebrating achievements. After completing cleaning tasks, it's important for seniors to celebrate their accomplishments, no matter how small. A little reward, like a favorite snack or a relaxing bath, can reinforce positive feelings about maintaining their home. As we conclude, we want to remind you that maintaining a clean home doesn't have to be a daunting task. It's about finding what works best for each individual and making adjustments as needed. With these 7 low-effort tricks and a few additional tips, seniors can create a harmonious living space that reflects their independence and comfort. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who might benefit from these tips. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content aimed at empowering seniors and improving their lives. We'd love to hear your thoughts, so leave a comment below. What cleaning tips work best for you or your loved ones? Thank you for watching, and remember, a clean home leads to a happy heart. Until next time, take care and happy cleaning. As we delve deeper into the realm of efficient cleaning techniques, it's essential to recognize that every senior's situation is unique. Tailoring these strategies to fit individual lifestyles can yield the best results. Let's explore more ways to make housework both manageable and enjoyable. 5. Incorporating movement into cleaning. Cleaning doesn't just serve the purpose of tidying up. It can also be a great way for seniors to stay active. Movement is vital for maintaining physical health, and many cleaning tasks naturally incorporate exercise. When seniors dust, sweep, or organize, they engage in light physical activity that can help improve mobility and flexibility. Encouraging seniors to think of cleaning as a form of exercise can change their perspective. Simple activities like bending to pick up items off the floor or reaching to dust high shelves can promote physical well-being. To enhance this, consider integrating short stretches before and after cleaning tasks to prevent strain and enhance flexibility. This not only makes cleaning safer, but also helps seniors feel invigorated and accomplished. 6. Creating a cleaning playlist. Music has proven effects on mood and motivation. Creating a personalized cleaning playlist filled with upbeat songs can transform cleaning from a mundane task into a lively experience. Encourage seniors to select songs that make them feel good and energize them. This way, when cleaning time comes around, it feels less like a chore and more like a dance party. Moreover, certain songs can even be timed to cleaning tasks. For example, a 3-minute song can signal a quick tidy-up session, while a longer track might be perfect for more extensive chores. This approach not only makes cleaning enjoyable, but also serves as a gentle reminder to take breaks when a song ends. 7. Utilizing checklists and reminders. Checklists can be a powerful tool for seniors, providing a clear outline of what needs to be done. Creating a simple checklist for daily, weekly, and monthly tasks can help maintain a sense of order and accomplishment. Use large print or color-coded lists for easy visibility, and consider placing them on the fridge or a bulletin board. Additionally, setting reminders on smartphones or using a calendar can provide gentle nudges to tackle cleaning tasks. For those who may not be tech-savvy, a family member can help set up reminders or even make phone calls to check in and encourage task completion. 8. Fostering a sense of ownership. Encouraging seniors to take pride in their living spaces can significantly impact their motivation to maintain cleanliness. Discuss how a clean home can enhance their comfort and enjoyment of their surroundings. Involve them in decisions about organizing and decorating their spaces, allowing them to express their preferences and style. When seniors feel ownership over their environment, they are more likely to engage in upkeep. This could be as simple as rearranging furniture or adding personal touches that make their living space feel uniquely theirs. Creating a home that reflects their personality can inspire seniors to keep it tidy. 9. Sharing cleaning responsibilities. For those living in a multi-generational household or with roommates, sharing cleaning responsibilities can lighten the load. Establishing a rotating cleaning schedule ensures that everyone contributes, making it less overwhelming for any one person. This fosters a sense of teamwork and community within the home. For those who live alone, reaching out to neighbors or friends for occasional help can also be beneficial. Perhaps a neighbor can lend a hand with heavy lifting or join for a cleaning session, making the task more manageable and social. 10. Engaging in regular maintenance. Regular maintenance can prevent the build-up of dirt and clutter, making each cleaning session that much easier. Encourage seniors to adopt daily habits, such as a 5-minute tidy-up at the end of each day. This could involve putting things back in their designated places, wiping down surfaces, or quickly sweeping the floor. By engaging in small daily maintenance tasks, seniors can significantly reduce the workload associated with cleaning. It's all about creating habits that become second nature, leading to a more organized and clean living space without the burden of extensive cleaning sessions. 11. Finding joy in creativity. Cleaning doesn't have to be purely functional. It can also be a chance for creativity. For instance, rearranging furniture or trying new organizational methods can spark joy and excitement. Encourage seniors to explore different ways to beautify their spaces, perhaps by incorporating plants or artwork. Creating a visually appealing environment can inspire a sense of pride and motivate seniors to keep it clean. This creative approach can also serve as a therapeutic outlet, allowing them to express themselves while creating a comfortable space to enjoy. 12. The importance of staying hydrated and nourished. Lastly, let's not forget the importance of hydration and nutrition in maintaining energy levels. Cleaning can be physically demanding, so it's vital for seniors to stay hydrated and nourished during their cleaning sessions. Encourage them to keep a water bottle nearby and take breaks to enjoy healthy snacks, such as fruits or nuts. By staying well hydrated and nourished, seniors can maintain their stamina and motivation, making housework feel less like a chore and more like a manageable part of their day-to-day activities. Maintaining a clean and organized home is entirely achievable for seniors, especially when they adopt a few low-effort strategies. By integrating movement into cleaning, creating engaging playlists, utilizing checklists, fostering a sense of ownership, sharing responsibilities, engaging in regular maintenance, embracing creativity, and staying hydrated, seniors can transform their cleaning routines into manageable and even enjoyable tasks. If you found these additional tips helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, share this video with your friends and family, and let us know your favorite cleaning hacks in the comments below. Together, we can support our loved ones in leading independent and fulfilling lives while keeping their homes clean and comfortable. Thank you once again for watching. Remember, a clean home is not just about aesthetics. It's about creating a space where one can thrive. Until next time, take care, stay proactive, and happy cleaning.